Hello and hi everyone. I'm Farhana Fatima, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Classroom and how to connect with the Google Meet. And third one is how to take attendance in Google Meet using the Google Meet Attendance app. And the fourth one is how to display all the participants in a grid view. And the fifth one is how to prepare your attendance sheet in Google Sheets using the attendance templates. And finally, the sixth one is how to prepare your work plan in Google Sheets using the schedule templates. I think you all have your Gmail account and I'm going to use mine. This is my Gmail account. See here nearby that you'll have a small square. Click that. So under this you'll have a classroom. Select the classroom. And here I'm having 4 classes. Let me show how to create a new class. Click the plus symbol. You have 2 options. One is a join class, another one is a create class. Select create class and give the class name. I'm going to give MSc and section A. Subject name DM. Give the subject name DM and click create. Now the class is created and this is our class. The class name is MSc and the section is A. Once you have created, you will get a class code. So kindly forward this to your students. Ask them to join as a student. So once you forward it, with the help of this code, they can join into your classes. And see here below there's a Meet link. So click this. It will ask you whether to generate a meeting link. Click that and enable this button. See here we have created a link. Enable this in order to make it visible to the students. So once visible, just click save. And here your meeting link is ready. Now you can join with your meeting link. Let us see how to enter into the Google Meet. Click the link. So it will ask everything to show the details. Okay, just close it. And here the mic option, this is the end, leave the pod, this is camera. Here you can, if you enable this, you can leave the camera. Okay, so in the top you can see this one, who are all the participants in the meeting. At present only myself alone available, so it shows 1 people. Here you can chat with your students. If you want to type something, you can type here and enter. It will be displayed to everyone in the meeting. Okay, see here, just I'll show you how to take attendance in Google Meet. Click the above one, that is a customize control. Click this one. So in that we have more tools. Go to more tools, select extensions. So in select this one. So below you have a web store. So type here, select that web store. So search here Google Attendance. So type and search here. So you'll have several options. Several apps are there. So select the first one, Google Meet Attendance. Add to Chrome. It will ask you add extension. Now it is ready. Just come to your Meet. Just I'll close this one. Again go back to your class. Now join again in the Meet. While joining, it will show you the list. Okay, show you. It will ask you to set the settings. Select the setting. So monitor attendance is tick. Automatically remove previous meet checks is tick that also. Auto save as HTML file as well as auto save as CSV file, and generate logs. You can select all those things and close it. After setting this, you just press join now. As I have told you, the details will be displayed here. Just close this one. Now you can see here, before we had these three options, now additionally it is added. This is a attendance. So make it sure this should be enabled. Or if it is disabled, then you cannot see the attendance list. So enable this one. Here you can see the name of the students entering in your class. Okay. So see here, if once when you come out, leave the meeting, automatically the files will get saved. I will close the meeting now. See here. Here the two files are downloaded. This is in Excel format, CSV file. Because as I am a presenter, my name is not displayed. You can include also here the name of the students will be displayed and what time, everything will be displayed here. And the other file is a HTML file. So once you quit from the meeting, it automatically get downloaded and saved in the desktop downloads. You can go and check there. So two files are there. Now open the HTML file. See here, and this is how our HTML file looks, which also has all the details. It consists of all the details like the class, meeting ID, date, start time, end time, and everything. At the same time, you can view the attendance summary also. Next, come to the class. Let me show you how to display all the participants in the grid view. Go to More Tools. Select extensions. Click here. In the below you will have the Open Chrome Web Store. Open that. So in the search bar, type grid view and press enter, which displays you all the available apps. So here we are having Google Meet Grid View. Select the first one and add extension. Now it is ready. Again come back, just go back to your class. Now again join in the meeting. Okay, now join now. So again it will display the same, all the details. Just close everything. See here the grid view, it shows many options. Only show participants with video. Then just tick the highlight speakers. Include yourself in the grid. Select enable grid by default. There's option enable screen capture mode also available. If you click that one, others will get deselected. So deselect this one and select those things. For example, only I am here, so only mine is displaying. If for example more than 10 members available in the meeting, all the 10 will be displayed in a grid view. One more thing I'll show you. We are having attendance template also available. So to select that one, go to this select drive, click the plus symbol. So go to Google Sheet, blank spreadsheet, from a template, and choose from a template. And here the attendance template is available. Click that and see. And this is the template design, attendance template design. You can add the name of the students here, as well as you can add one more field, one more column. You can add the register number here and the student's name. And see here PLEU. These are all keys. See here at the bottom you have two sheets. One is a class one and one is a attendance key. Click that and see. You have so many options. One is a P for present, L for late, E for excused, for unexcused. The thing only we need absent and present is enough. If you want to do changes, you can change here and change this A. Plus absent. If you want the remaining text, you can keep it, otherwise you can delete it. It is not needed. Now go to class and see here the field I will choose B density. If you want to mark the student as absent, so you can select it. Okay. So this is the default template you can design. So I have designed for my class and kept it. I'll show that for example. So according to your needs and requirement, you can change the template design. And this is my attendance register for my class. I have created. I have added one more column: serial number, register number, and name of the class and the teacher, as well as the register number I have added and the name of the students. And you can change the date from when the course is started. You can change the date, everything. Here I have mentioned for my reference month, which month, the total number of working days, as well as I have added one more column just to count the number of days present for the particular month. The same way you can add anything. You can add rows and columns also. The same way, just look at the bottom. I have added two more rows. One to calculate the present, another one to calculate the absent. So for presenting for the particular day, there's a formula out here. You can see this. You can apply this formula. So which will calculate only the present, and here the below is for calculating the absentees. So the same formula only, but the condition I'm going to give, the key is A. If it is A means just count the absentees. If it is B means it will count only the present, number of present. Okay. So according to your needs and requirements, you can change the design template designs. So it is easy for you to calculate the consolidate attendance sheet. Similarly, for maintaining your work plan, you will have a template. Go to Google Sheets, select from a template. See here, you are having the schedule template here. Click that, and this is the default design template. You can change according to your needs. Okay, I have changed. I have prepared one work plan for my class. I'll show you now. See, this is a format I have designed. The day order, date, and this is hours. So for the first hour, which class and what are the topics you have taken, you can mention like this. Okay. You can add also for the columns. You can add rows and columns. But for us only 5 years, so I have added only 5 years and I have specifically things. This is one method. The another method I'll show you. See, select your class. So go to class work. So you will have your Google Calendar. And now see here 20th, 3rd hour I am having. So the time is from 10:50 to 11:30. So you can select this. See here you can do the changes and you can keep track of that. So you can add the title and the list of classes you are having in the class room will be displayed here. You can choose the class name and you can specify the topics covered in that particular hour, and I think everything you can add here and just save it. So similarly, 1 week I have taken, so I have mentioned for all the classes. This is another method to keep track of your work plan, the topics which you have taken. Thank you. You can try this method. If you have any doubts, you can comment on YouTube channel.
Thank you for watching. Kindly please subscribe.